Can swimming pools be maintenance free? The short answer is no, but the long answer is you're going to be sold systems that have the appearance of being maintenance free. Let me give an example of saltwater chlorine. All it does is it uses electrolysis to turn salt into chlorine for your swimming pool, like a chlorine regeneration system. But when they were first brought to market, they were kind of sold under the premise, hey, this just takes care of all of the maintenance for you. And people just checked out entirely. And as it turns out, you can't do that. That's not good for your swimming pool. There's a host of things that you're supposed to be watching, measuring, and maintaining in your water. And so that's going to be a problem if you think you have a maintenance-free pool when in fact you have nothing like the sort at all. So then the next step is, well, we could add some automation which is going to measure, the pH of the water and how much sanitizer, and maybe it can even automatically dispense some of these items for you. Isn't that a maintenance-free pool? And again, the answer is no, because that time that you used to spend, out there with your Taylor test kit measuring the water pH and the sanitizer levels, now you're going to spend that time testing the calibration of your pH dispensers and filling up the chlorine in your sanitizer tank or something to that degree. You exchange one level of maintenance for another. There really is no such thing as a maintenance-free swimming pool at this stage, save for the very simple solution of hiring a pool maintenance company to come and take care of the daily and weekly tasks of brushing the pool and vacuuming it and testing and balancing the water for you. Truly, that's as close as you can get to a maintenance-free swimming pool at this point. We might be getting close. Maybe technology will have us there soon in 10 or 20 years, but as of right now, there is no such thing as a fully, truly maintenance-free swimming pool. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.